Or you want to send email to entire your team, like just one email. So in this video, I will show you how can create distribution group in Microsoft 365 in just minute. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rastech. So before start the video, I will share what is distribution list. Basically, distribution list is a in a group mail ID. So suppose if your team member 5 team member, and if you want to send the email, so you don't require to individual add in the mail. Just create a distribution list, and in that distribution list you need to add the team members in all 5 members. And if you just send a mail in that distribution list, and the all members are received. So I think you understand the what is the DL. So you have to log in your Office 365 account. After that, click on the admin. So in admin center, you will see the teams and group. Click on teams and group, then click admin active teams group. Then simply click on DL. So it's showing one DL. This is the 2 DL. So I am creating another DL for HR. Okay. So I am making this DL for HR team. Okay. Assign owner. So I added assign owner like this user Devdas. So Devdas can add any member or remove any member. Click on members. So I can name, I can add and remove member, but owner can also add and remove member. So that's why we have to add owner. So I added the member in Deep as well as his members. So those are the I created demo user. So I added 4 users. Then click next. So mail ID is HR dot, and if I enable this option, so outside users can also send here in this DL, send mail in this DL. So what will be happen if anyone send mail in HR dot avfund.in, that mail will be delivered those 4 members as I added. I think you understand the DL or how to work and how to add the DL. So if you like this video, click on like, and for more video, click on the subscription button. So I will understand you are like that this type of video, and I will make in future. Thank you.